let's look at some more formulas. So we have counted the number of students with the count formula. Let's suppose we have some of the students that have not appeared in the quizzes, and we want to find out who are those students. That is, how many students have not appeared in the quiz 1 and quiz 2. So let's see, for quiz number 1, how many students have not appeared. So instead of counting it from the whole, we will use the formula from this column. Okay, so the formula is count blank. That is, we want to find out how many students who have not appeared for the quizzes. So let's select the column, and then we will close the bracket, and the answer should be 1. So see, the answer is 1, and here it was written as 5. So let's write it back. Okay, so let's see how many students have scored more than 7 marks in quiz number 1. So that is, so understanding the question is part of question. So if we have to see how many students scored more than 7 in quiz 1, for that we have to count the students who scored more than 7. So we can see that there are 3 students who scored more than 7 in quiz 1. So let's find out the answer of this question through the formula. So it is count with a condition. So count if so as you see, the first thing that we have to write is the range. So this is the range, because we have to find out the from the students. So we have to write the range. Then we have to put the semicolon. You see here we have to put a semicolon, and then we have to write the criteria. Criteria is greater than 7. So we will write that in the inverted commas. So it is in the inverted commas greater than 7. So inverted commas closed, bracket closed. So the answer should be 3, right? So the next thing is we have to find out we have to add the marks of the students who scored greater than 8 in quiz 1. So we will find it out with the help of, so again the question is that we have to understand what actually the question says. So the question says that add the marks, or find out the total marks. Total means you have to sum it up. So total marks when the students have scored greater than 8. So total with the condition. So sum if makes it a condition. So again we see we have a range. So we have to find out the range, then the semicolon, and the criteria is criteria should be written in the inverted commas, greater than 8, inverted commas closed. And if there is a sum range, then that will be the third criteria, else it will be closed. So it will be 19. So 10 plus 9, 19 is the total number of marks that total number of students scored marks greater than 8 in quiz 1. Okay, so this is about these formulas that you have to understand on your own. Now let's find out the grade of individual students. So we have to see how many students scored greater than 80% and how many scored less than that. Let's suppose we have only 2 criteria. So if the student you have to find out, the question will be like that find out the grade of the student if the percentage is greater than 80%, then grade is A, else it will be B. So we have to find the grade of individual student in front of him. So the question is, if the percentage is greater than 80%, if test, so you have to write that in inverted commas. Okay, if 3 is greater than 80%, then the semicolon, and then the value will be, and then you will write the value in inverted commas. So grade is, or the performance is excellent. Here I want to write the grade, so grade is A, and again you see we have to write the otherwise value, so semicolon, else it will be B, and the inverted commas closed and the bracket is closed, so enter. So if the grade is, if the percentage is greater than 80%, then the grade will be A, else it will be B. So let's apply it on the whole column and we will see the grades. See, the last two students, they have not scored greater than 80, so their grade is B according to this this criteria. Okay, so this is all about the formulas that we are going to use. The important thing is that you have to understand the concept of the thing that you are going to apply, the concept of the question, what the question is what the question is being asked, so you have to apply according to that. In the next video we will discuss how to draw the graphs. Thank you so much.